guys, welcome to the channel. Today we discuss second part of industrial engineering previous year question paper. First, finite production rate inventory model relaxes which of the following economic order quantity assumption. इकोनॉमिक ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी अजम्पशन पूछ रहा है फाइनाइट प्रोडक्शन रेट के लिए इन्वेंट्री मॉडल में. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, इंस्टेंटेनियस रिप्लेसमेंट. नेक्स्ट वन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन अंडरलाइंग अजम्पशन ऑफ द बेसिक इकोनॉमिक ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी मॉडल. So guys, not assumption of economic order quantity model. So stochastic demand is the correct answer. Next, here optimum reorder quantity का फॉर्मूला होता है हमारा ऑप्शन ए √2 एनुअल यूनिट यूजेस मल्टीप्लाइड कॉस्ट पर सेट माइनस अप और ऑर्डर अपॉन कॉस्ट पर यूनिट मल्टीप्लाइड परसेंट एनुअल कैरिंग कॉस्ट. सो गाइज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एक्सपर्ट्स ऑफ सेम रैंक असेंबल फॉर प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट. ऑप्शन है डेल्फी टेक्निक, ब्रेन स्ट्रोमिंग, डायरेक्ट एक्सपर्ट कंप्रेशन और नेक्स्ट है डी मॉर्फोलॉजिकल एनालिसिस. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज मॉर्फोलॉजिकल एनालिसिस. नेक्स्ट, फोरकास्टिंग बाय एक्सपोनेंशियल स्मूथनिंग इफ अल्फा इज अ स्मूथनिंग कांस्टेंट. सो गाइज राइट आंसर इज न्यू फोरकास्ट is equal to alpha least scale figure plus 1 minus alpha old forecast. So right one is option A. Next, for a simple moving average forecasting method, as the length of averaging period increases, the forecast sensitivity. सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज फोरकास्टिंग मेथड में लेंथ ऑफ एवरेजिंग पीरियड जब इंक्रीज होता है देन फोरकास्ट सेंसिटिविटी डिक्रीज होती है. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फोरकास्टिंग मेथड्स टेक अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ फोरकास्ट एरर इनटू अकाउंट फॉर द नेक्स्ट पीरियड फोरकास्ट. सो ऑप्शन है हमारे पास सिंपल एवरेज मेथड, मूविंग एवरेज मेथड, weighted moving average method, exponential smoothing method. So guys, right answer is exponential smoothing method. For forecast method takes a fraction of forecast error into account. Next, which one of the following forecasting model best predicts a turning point? Best predict a turning point. Forecast method बताना है who is best predict the turning point, that is option D, moving average model. Next, the most commonly used criteria for measuring forecast error. First one is mean absolute deviation, second mean absolute deviation percentage error, mean standard deviation error, and last one is mean square error. So guys, correct answer is for measuring forecast error is mean square error. Next, in a queuing problem, if the arrivals are completely random, then the probability distribution of number of arrival in a given time follows. We have four options: normal distribution, Poisson distribution, binomial distribution, and exponential distribution. So guys, right answer is Poisson distribution. Next, in queuing theory, the ratio of mean arrival rate and the mean service rate is termed as. रेशियो पूछा गया है मीन अराइवल रेट एंड द मीन सर्विस रेट का, तो यूटिलाइजेशन फैक्टर इज इक्वल टू मीन अराइवल रेट टू द मीन सर्विस रेट. नेक्स्ट, इन द मॉडल m/m/i is to infinity/f/c/f/cs, the expected queuing length is equal to. सो गाइज राइट आंसर है रो स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 माइनस रो. ये क्वेश्चन उत्तराखंड पीसीएस में आया है, पीएससी में आया है. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ एग्जाम्पल इज अ 3-step रिपेयर सर्विस विद 1 सर्वर एट ईच स्टेप. ऑप्शन है सिंगल फेस सिंगल सर्वर, मल्टी फेस सिंगल सर्वर, सिंगल फेस मल्टीपल सर्वर, मल्टीपल फेस मल्टीपल सर्वर. सो गाइज राइट आंसर इज मल्टीपल फेस सिंगल सर्वर. नेक्स्ट, queuing theory is associated with, everybody knows, waiting time. Many more times these questions are occurred in the various examination. Next, in the queuing theory, the relationship between expected number of customers in the system and expected waiting time in the system is known as. थ्योरी का नाम बताना है. The theory is Little's formula. Next, SIRO discipline is generally found in. Option है loading and unloading, office filling, lottery drawn, train arrivals at platform. Correct answer is lottery draw. Next, in production planning and control, the document which authorizes the start of an operation on the shop floor, that is correct answer is shop floor dispatched order is the right answer. Next, queuing theory deals with the problem material handling, reducing the waiting time, better utilization of service. Correct answer is better utilization of man service. Next, the distribution of arrival in a queuing system can be considered as a death process, pure birth process, pure life process, and sick process. Distribution of arrivals is considered as pure birth process. Next one, the term jockeying in queuing theory refers to. Option, not entering the long queue, leaving the queue, shifting from one queue to another parallel queue. That is right answer. Next, the cost of providing service in a queuing system increases with increase mean time in the square, increasing arrival rate, next increasing mean time in queue, next decreasing in arrival rate. Correct answer is decreasing mean time in the queue. Next one, effect of stock out of commodity is stock out, effect of stock out, loss of profit, correct, loss of customers, correct, loss of goodwill, correct, all of the options. Next, if workstation times are not same, the overall production rate of an assembly line is determined by the. So correct answer is slowest station time. Next, production line is said to be balanced if at each station operation time is same. Product line is said to be balanced when operation time is same. Next, purpose of scheduling is to prescribe the sequence of operation to be followed, determine the program of the operation, regulate the progress of job through various process. All of the above is correct answer. D option is correct answer. Next, आपको करेक्ट आंसर सेलेक्ट करना है. बेनिफिट ऑफ असेंबलिंग line balancing. So you have 4 options. First one is it minimize the in process inventory, right? It reduce work content, wrong. It smoothen the production flow, right? It maintains the required rate of output, right? So option 1, 3 and 4 is right. Next, which one of the following scheduling measures is not related to due date or delivery time? Not related to due date or delivery time, that is flow time, not related. Next, which of the following is not a symbol representing lay, that is the direction of tool makes or sketches or grains to surface, that is term T. Next, standardization deals with the characteristics of product that includes standardization, dimension of machine elements, correct, method of testing of product, correct, composition and properties of engineering material, all options are correct. Next, productivity of a production system is analogous to output of machine. A is the correct answer. Next, production of large turbo generator is an example of production of large turbo generator. Batch order production is the correct answer. Next, just in time concept was developed. ये HPPSC में आया है. Answer is option A, Taichi Ohno. Next, shop loading means the assignment of days to specific jobs or operation step. Next is typically managed using an assembly chart, wrong. Means the assignment of jobs to work or processing center, correct answer. Shop loading means assignment of jobs to work or processing centers. Next, consider the following statement. Dispatching authorizes the start of production operation. Dispatching authorizes, that is releasing of material and components from store to first process, releasing of material from process to process, issuing of drawing and instructions sheet, all of the above, option D. Next, the production system moves from project to batch production to mass production to continuous production. Correct answer is product become more customized.